So today in this video we shall learn to find the GCF of HCF of 5 and 15, and here we shall find out the GCF of HCF of 5 and 15 by two methods. First one by prime factorization method and the second one by division method. So let's find out GCF of HCF of 5 and 15 by prime factorization method. So while finding out GCF of HCF by prime factorization method, first of all we have to find out the prime factors of given numbers. So your numbers are 5 and 15. So let's find out the prime factors of 5. So it is 5 times 1 means 5. In the same way, we shall find out the prime factors of 15. So it is 3 times 5 means 15, like as 5 times 1 means 5. So as you look here, we have find out the prime factors of 5 and 15. So from these prime factors, we can write 5 is equal to, from here it is 5. In the same way, we can write 15 is equal to, from here it is 3 times 5. So as you look here, we have written the prime factors of 5 and 15. So now we determine common and non-common factors in these prime factors. So here is 5 and here is also 5. So 5 is our common factor. Like as here is 3, which is non-common factor. And as you know, we are finding here GCF of HCF. So GCF of HCF is the product of all common factors. So your common factor is only 5. So GCF of HCF is equal to 5. Since here is only one common factor, which is 5, therefore 5 is the GCF of HCF of 5 and 15. So in this way we can find out GCF of HCF by prime factorization method. Now our second method is by division method. So let's find out GCF of HCF of 5 and 15 by division method. So while finding out GCF of this HCF by division method, we have to divide the greater number, which is 15, with the lesser number, which is 5. So while dividing, we have to keep dividing the divisor with remainder until there is no remainder at last. So it is 5 times 3 means 15. So it is 0. So as you look here, at last there is no remainder. At last there is no remainder, and the divisor 5 takes no remainder. So it becomes the GCF of HCF. So while finding GCF of HCF by division method, the divisor contains no remainder at last becomes the GCF of HCF. So here the divisor 5 takes no remainder at last, therefore GCF of HCF is equal to 5. So in this way we can find out GCF of HCF by division method. So this much for today, and if you have any question from math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.